In this video, I'm going to go over how to link an assignment from Google Classroom directly into an agenda that you might be pushing out for students. This can be done on a document like I have here for my agenda. If you've created a Bitmoji classroom and you've practiced linking in there, you can do the exact same thing with a Bitmoji classroom as well. So you can see I have this agenda here. This is what I give to students at the beginning of every week so they kind of know here's what's coming up. It has assignment information, just the title on it, so not a lot, but then also a due date. Just kind of helps keep students organized. So I'm going to link these independent assignments directly to that assignment on Google Classroom. This is pretty simple. I'll go over it twice so you can see it a couple of different times, and then you can practice on your own. So I'm going to go to my Google Classroom, and you can see I've got my assignments set up here, and they are live. That is important, and I'll kind of go over what to do if they're not live at the end. So I've got 831 project intro. This is the same as that assignment, that first assignment on my agenda. These three dots over on the side will give me the option to copy link. I'm going to select copy link. I'm going to go back to my agenda, and I've got the assignment title highlighted so that I can link that. I'm going to right click on it and hit link. And this allows me to paste in a link that I've just copied, and I hit apply. So now if I actually follow this link, it says classroom on it, it will take me directly to that classroom assignment. It gives me all the assignment details, the handout, everything that I need, and I can just work directly in that. Okay, so I'll go over that one more time for our next assignment. So I've got this Pericles and Plato assignment that students are working on. I can find that assignment right here, the 9-2 Pericles and Plato one. Again, three dots on the side, and I hit copy link. I go back to my agenda and I highlight that assignment title that I want to be a link. I right click and I hit link. I will paste in the link I just copied and hit apply. So again, that will connect directly to that assignment detail page in Google Classroom. Now, let's say I'm working ahead and I've scheduled some posts to go out, just like I did for this coming week. These are all scheduled posts. So if I click on these three dots, I don't have the option of copying the link. So this is something, once these are posted and they are live, I will need to go back in and copy these links and add them to my agenda for that week just before I post in the stream. Okay, so the assignment does have to be live in order to copy it. And you'll see that in the stream, I've just made a quick announcement, like I post on Sunday evening, so had a good weekend, I hope, and here is your upcoming agenda for the week, and students can click on this and they have access to this document. They just have view access, so a little bit different from mine, but they can still click on any links that are in the agenda. So if this is an easy way for them to access assignments, they can always click on this and it will take them to that assignment in Google Classroom. And then students can find that assignment right away. They've got the due date listed. It's all pretty organized for them. Now, one thing to make note of, if you have multiple sections of a class and you're trying to create an agenda for them and you would like to link assignments like this, you will need to make a separate agenda for each class and link directly to that class assignment. You can't just link, just from World History first period for the second period students. They'll need their own separate link to the assignment that's created in the second period World History Google Classroom. So this is something, if you have multiple classes, it might be a little bit of work on the front end to get things set up, but it should ease kind of student access if they are trying to access it through an agenda. Okay, so just letting you know that this is an option for agendas. It's a great way to organize work, and it might be helpful for students in finding work.